Replace your 4-year college degree with these 8 TED Talks.
How to Speak So That People Want to Listen by Julian Treasure, time 10 minutes.
How Great Leaders Inspire Action by Simon Sinek, time 18 minutes.
Inside the Mind of a Master Procrastinator by Tim Urban, time 14 minutes.
Your body language may shape who you are.
By Amy Cuddy. This talk spans 21 minutes.
What Makes a Good Life? Lessons from the Longest Study on Happiness.
By Robert Waldinger. This enlightening talk is 13 minutes long.
The Power of Passion and Perseverance.
By Angela Lee Duckworth. This impactful talk lasts 6 minutes. 7. 10 Ways to Have a Better Conversation by Celeste Headley. This talk runs for 12 minutes and is packed with practical advice to improve your communication skills. 8. The Puzzle of Motivation by Dan Pink. In this 18-minute talk, Dan delves into what truly drives us and how we can harness that understanding to achieve our goals. Life Changer? Sleep is Your Superpower by Matt Walker. Over the course of 19 minutes, Matt reveals the incredible benefits of sleep and how it can transform your life.